Just removing the rear tire on the 1984 Nighthawk cb750. In the manual, it is on section 15-3. So I followed the instructions. Taken off the. I've removed the brake adjustment nut here. Removed the arm as well. Removed both these guys from their rightful places. There's a big nut that went on here, and to loosen off the axle bolt here, or to push it in, I just used a rubber mallet. I don't want to do too much damage or beat the piss out of it. So first step that the manual says after removing all the attachment stuff, to remove the axle here. It's surprisingly easy. Can definitely grease that sucker when I'm done. Somebody on a forum mentioned to watch out for spacers. I guess there might be some spacers in here, or in here on the brake side as well. So there we go. There's axle nut. I guess this might be what they consider to be a spacer. And then, as you can see, just simply slide it out to the right to disengage it from the final drive. Oh, there we go. That's beautiful. Not sure if you saw that. It's not too bad at all. And there we have it. Now, some of you might be wondering why exactly I'm changing my tire. The tread's like this beautiful. From Manitoba, so I don't know if you guys are aware of safety procedures. I need to get it safety before I get it registered, and there are plenty of cracks on the back here, on the sidewall. So should be sure of that stuff. Alright, well, I'm gonna take the tire off and hope to see you guys out there riding.